Hi friends, how are you? Booger is here. As you might know, the film festival is approaching, so I decided mostly to make vlogs during the next couple of weeks to share with you what I did during this process. By the way, this will be the last week to get the tickets to my feature film premiere in Chinese theater. Don't miss out. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. today. I sat down with my coffee. Booger wanted to get on my shoulder. As you can see from my face, it was painful when he climbed on me. Today, I'm wearing this shirt with a booger cat and an Eckhart Tolle's quote on it. I have lived with several Zen masters, all of them cats. Wasting time until 7:20 a.m., I started going through my to-do list. At 7:30 a.m., I started to check my email inbox. I'm expecting email from the festival, as well as UPS about a pillow I ordered a month ago. At 7:50 a.m., I started working on reading, signing, and emailing a contract for a virtual film screening later this year. Poopy and Booger seem really want to be part of this. Walmart? Obviously he doesn't care. At 8:20 a.m., I started working on writing a letter for my visa application. Yes, in the middle of all of this chaos, I'm also working on renewing my visa. I got this nice stamp for my planner, so I can have it open all day to check my tasks.
Many of us are burning in the fire of our craving.
I got everything ready at 9:28 a.m. I started to drive to my day job. On the way, I'm finishing up listening to a book from Thich Nhat Hanh called The Art of Living. I have been listening to a lot of books about mindfulness while I'm driving because I have too many things and projects going on in my life at the moment. I don't want to lose myself in the chaos. I arrived at work at 9:50 a.m. On my 10 minutes break around 12:30 p.m., I had a very nice cup of coffee and a monkey bread. At 2:36 p.m. on my lunch break, a Taiwanese director and his friend came to visit me. He has made dozens of classic TV shows in the 90s that I grew up with. Now he has retired and moved to LA. A friend introduced me to him. He has been very supportive and caring to me. When I took out of my camera, that evoked his old passion. His eye lit up and I took my camera, started filming. After work, at 5:20 p.m., I carried the mooncake the director gave me and head over to Chinese theater to pick up my film festival badge. The traffic is always so bad at Hollywood. I parked my car underground of the hotel, arrived at the Chinese theater at 6:25 p.m. It is one of those places that when you walk in, all you feel is the holy cinema spirit. All you want to do is to be present and quiet. Here is the place I'm going to spend my time for the next 2 weeks. The film festival has already set up all the stuff. Look, these are the giveaways from my film. At 6:47 p.m., I got my badges and head out. Outside at the center of the Hollywood Boulevard, where the stars are, is actually very chaotic. As I walked downstairs, for some reason, mindlessly, I missed my exit and headed directly towards the place I always wanted to be since I was 12. Every time when I'm here, I tear up. Here is the place where they display all the names of Oscars Best Pictures on the posts. And there are empty ones for the future already placed there, waiting for us to fill in. Out of excitement, I have been touching a lot of random stuffs. Need some hand sanitizer. At 6:51 p.m., I headed back to my car, drove away from Hollywood Boulevard. I stuck on the freeway for a half hour. At 7:42 p.m., the traffic was finally clear up. At 8:17 p.m., I catch up the film pitch Zoom event hosted by We Make Movies studio. They are offering $25,000 for the selected project to make an ultra-low budget feature film. It's so fun to listen to other people pitching the film. While I was listening to the pitching, here was me unboxing the new customized expensive pillow. I was very excited about it because I have been suffering from neck pain for a couple of years. At 10 p.m., I'm back from dinner, started to organize the to-do list for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the film festival opening night and the red carpet. I need to get ready for all the interview questions on the carpet. Thank you for watching. I hope today is a fun and interesting day to you. I will keep filming more behind-the-scenes stuff to share with you here. If you want to check out my film, the link is down below. Be patient, be present, stay creative. I'll see you next week. Bye. Bing.